have fully accepted I'm just not as strong as I'd like to think I am, on a good day or on a bad day. I remember a time when I was writing my first book, one of the most vulnerable things I've ever done, reliving childhood wounds, sharing the lessons I've learned from my past mistakes, and statements that only God could remove. During that time, I felt completely unqualified to even be writing this book. There were moments that I felt uninspired, emotionally drained, and yet I knew that this was an assignment from Him. I love what Isaiah 40:29 says. It says, He gives strength to the weary, and He increases the power of the weak. As I would dig into sharing my story of betrayal and divorce and all the other layers of pain that I've harbored, this was my prayer. Lord, when I look in, You speak up. You give me strength. May Your glory and power be known. This cannot be done by my strength, but Yours alone. And you know what happened? He did. He spoke up. He poured out. He showed me that even when I'm sharing experiences that have left me feeling hurt, He will show His redemption and rebuild. So, if you're feeling weary, burned out, facing some pain right now, ask the Lord, when I look in to face some of these things inside of me, please meet me and share with me what You want me to know. Protect my heart as I learn more about Your heart, Lord.